Welcome everyone to today's tutorial. I am here today to show you how you can fix bad audio quality on Discord Mobile. This tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. Firstly, when you open Discord, you will get this GUI interface. It all depends, are you automatically redirected to server room or not, but more or less it's same for everyone. After you're in, you must spot upper left corner, look for 3 vertical lines and you have to tap there. After tapping, you will get many options. For some of you it will be strange, but don't worry, just follow my further steps and you will be fine. Go to lower right corner picking smile emoji, which will bring you to your account settings. Then after you have to scroll down among all options to find the voice under app settings section. If you did it successfully, you will get this interface. Now auto sensitivity will be disabled for you and you have to turn it on. Also for you, echo cancellation and noise suppression will be turned off and you have just them to be enabled. And we came to an end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, hit subscribe button for more tutorials like this.